We only came here for eggs. But 30 minutes later, Mia and Sarah have a giant cart full of snacks, frozen food, muffins, and a very angry self-checkout machine. Today's story is cozy, funny, and very realistic. If you have ever gone to a big supermarket and bought way more than you planned, this story will feel very familiar. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. The story is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. And here's today's listening question. What food do Mia and Sarah eat at the very end of the trip? Listen carefully for the answer. Then write your answer in the comments later. It's a simple way to practice English and remember the story longer. Okay, let's go inside the store.
Wow, this parking lot is huge.
Yeah, weekends are always busy here.
I thought people were leaving a concert or something.
Nope, just grocery shopping.
Look at that cart.
Which one?
The one with the giant mayonnaise.
Oh, that's normal here.
Normal? That thing is bigger than my backpack.
Honestly, some families buy 2 of those.
2? Why?
Big families, parties, sandwich people.
Sandwich people?
You know, people who always make sandwiches.
Ah.
You'll see bigger things inside.
Bigger than this?
Definitely.
I suddenly feel unprepared.
Don't worry, we're only getting a few things.
That's what everyone says before entering a place like this.
Okay, fair point.
Wait, are those paper towels? Yep. Why are they so tall? People love stocking up here. My apartment barely has space for normal groceries.
Same. I once bought a giant cereal box.
What happened? It lived on my kitchen floor for 2 weeks. That sounds stressful. It was. Every morning I kicked it by accident. I already know I'm going to buy something unnecessary today. That's part of the experience. I came here for eggs. Why are you smiling like that? Because nobody leaves with just eggs. I'm serious. I'm staying focused. Sure, let's see how long that lasts. Wow, look at all these people walking in. This place is kind of a weekend tradition for some families. Honestly, it already feels like an event. Wait until you smell the pizza inside. There's pizza too? Oh yeah, cheap pizza, very famous. Okay, now I understand the crowds. Ready to go in? I think so. Think so? No promises if I see giant snacks. Too late, giant snacks are everywhere. This is going to be dangerous and fun. Let's go. Okay, first, eggs, fruit, and rice. Got it. Simple shopping trip. Exactly. Wait, what's happening over there?
Free samples.
There are so many people.
People love free food.
Honestly, same. You want to try one? Of course I do. Come on then. What are they giving out? I think it's some frozen snack. This line is longer than the coffee shop line near my apartment. That means the sample is probably good. Or people just really like free things. Also true. Okay, this actually smells amazing. Careful, that's how they get you. You sound experienced. Last month, I came in for bananas, and I left with 50 frozen dumplings. 50? They were on sale. That sentence explains his whole store. Pretty much. Okay, I got one. Try it. Oh, wow. Good? This is actually good. See? Dangerous. Wait, how many come in one box? Probably too many. Should we get one? Mia. What? We came for eggs. Right, eggs. And fruit. And maybe one box. That's exactly how it starts. Okay, but imagine this on a lazy Friday night. You're already emotionally attached to the snack. I really am. Fine, put one in the cart. Yes! just one box.
No promises.
Wow, that cart got heavy fast. Wait, we only added like 3 things. Welcome to wholesale shopping.
Everything here feels extra large.
Even the muffins are huge.
Wait, where?
Oh no.
Sarah, those muffins look incredible.
Don't even look at them.
There are 12 in one box.
Exactly. Too many muffins.
Is there really such a thing as too many muffins?
Yes, usually around muffin number 9.
I feel like this store changes people.
It does, slowly.
I understand now why everyone leaves with giant carts.
And we're only at the beginning.
Honestly, I'm having fun already.
That's the problem.
Let's go see the muffins.
I knew you were going to say that. Okay, I changed my mind.
About the muffins?
No, about this store.
What happened?
I love this place now.
That happened fast.
I understand the excitement now.
It's kind of addictive.
Wait, where's the cart?
Huh?
Our cart.
I thought you had it.
No, you had it. I stopped near the frozen food section. Then we walked to the muffins.
Oh no.
Did we really lose a shopping cart? In our defense, this store is huge. Everything looks the same. Giant shelves, bright lights, more giant shelves. Exactly. Okay, don't panic. I'm not panicking. Your voice says otherwise. My frozen snacks are in that cart. Ah, now I understand the emotion. Priorities. Let's retrace our steps. That sounds very serious. It's a serious shopping situation. I can't believe we lost eggs already. Honestly, this happens all the time here. Really? Yeah, people leave carts everywhere. That somehow makes me feel better. Wait, was it near the giant cereal boxes? Or near the frozen pizza? Why are there so many frozen pizzas here? I think this store prepares people for winter. Or for never leaving the house again. Honestly, if I bought all this food, I wouldn't need groceries for months. That's the dream. Wait, what? I think I see our cart. Where? Near those chips. Oh, good. Wait, maybe not. Why not? There are 2 identical carts. Of course there are. How do we know which one is ours? Easy. Ours has the frozen snacks. Oh, right. And the emotional support muffins. Hey, those muffins are important. Found it. Yes! Wow, we really celebrated finding a cart. This store changes people. I told you. Wait, did someone add more things to our cart? No, that was you. I do not remember putting this giant popcorn here. You said it looked fun for movie night. Honestly, fair. The cart is getting dangerously full. We still haven't bought eggs, by the way. Wow, you're right. We came here for eggs. And somehow we're leaving with enough snacks for a road trip. A very long road trip. Come on, let's finally find the eggs. If we get distracted again, that's not my fault. Sure, let's blame the free samples.
Finally. Eggs.
We did it!
That took way longer than expected.
This store keeps distracting me.
That's how they get everybody.
Wait, stop walking for a second.
Why?
Look at our cart.
Oh, wow.
How did this happen?
Good question.
We came for eggs.
Right.
Fruit. Somehow we also bought giant popcorn, frozen snacks, muffins, and sparkling water. Don't forget the giant peanut butter jar. Honestly, that one was your fault. It looked useful. Useful for the next 10 years, maybe.
Future me will deal with it.
That's a dangerous sentence in this store.
I think wholesale shopping makes people feel very confident.
Confident how? Like, suddenly I believe I cook every day. Oh, absolutely.
I saw a giant bag of spinach earlier and thought, yes, I'm a healthy person now.
Meanwhile, the muffins are sitting right next to the spinach. Balance.
Sure. Do you actually finish all the food you buy here?
Honestly, sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That makes me feel better. I once bought a huge salad kit because I wanted to start eating cleaner. What happened?
I forgot about it for a week.
Oh no.
It became a very expensive science experiment in my fridge.
That sounds familiar.
Apartment life is hard.
Especially after work.
Exactly. Sometimes I'm too tired to cook.
Same.
Then I end up eating cereal for dinner.
Honestly, cereal is underrated.
Thank you. Finally, someone understands me.
Wait, look at those giant candles.
Don't even start.
They smell amazing.
Mia,
I'm just looking.
that's what you said about the muffins.
Okay, fair point.
We should probably stop adding things.
Yeah, this cart is getting hard to push.
And we still need fruit.
Right, responsible shopping.
Exactly.
Wait, why are the strawberries so big here too? Everything in this store is big. I feel like even the air is sold in bulk.
That might be the best description of this place.
Honestly, I get the hype now.
Told you.
It feels less like grocery shopping and more like an adventure.
A very expensive adventure.
True. Okay, fruit, then checkout. No more distractions.
Promise?
Mostly promise.
Wow, the checkout area is intense.
Weekend energy.
Why does every cart look like people are preparing for winter? Because some people probably are. Look at that cart full of chips.
That's either a party or a very stressful week.
Okay, I think this self-checkout is open.
Perfect. Let's do this quickly.
Famous last words.
Don't say that. All right, first item. Scan the barcode slowly.
Like this?
Yep.
Oh, that was easy.
See, you're basically a professional now.
I've changed since the Manny's parking lot moment.
Personal growth.
Okay, giant popcorn next. Careful, it's heavy. Got it.
Please place the item in the bagging area.
I did place it there.
Maybe move it a little.
Like this?
Unexpected item in bagging area.
Excuse me?
Oh no.
The machine is judging me. It's okay, this happens all the time. Why does it sound so disappointed? Self-checkout machines are very dramatic. Okay, now what? Try removing the popcorn. All right,
And please return the item to the bagging area.
now it wants the popcorn back. This machine needs a break. Honestly, same. Okay, let's scan something smaller first. The muffins? Of course you picked the muffins. They bring emotional support. Scan it again slowly. Okay, there we go.
Item scanned.
Yes, progress.
We're winning now.
Wait, why did the screen freeze?
Oh, come on.
But nothing.
I believe you.
The machine looks overwhelmed.
Honestly, our cart looks overwhelming too.
Do you think we bought too much?
Definitely. Fair. Okay, I think it's working again.
Really?
Try scanning the water.
All right. And
Item scanned.
we're back. Beautiful. This feels strangely emotional.
After this trip, everything feels emotional.
Wait, people are lining up behind us now.
Don't look back. Too late. I looked back. Just keep scanning.
Okay, frozen snacks.
Good.
Eggs.
Careful with those.
I carried these eggs through an entire adventure.
Honestly, they deserve respect.
And done.
Finally.
We survived.
Barely.
Wait, we still haven't seen the famous pizza.
Oh, we're definitely getting pizza after this.
Best news I've heard all day. Wow, it smells so good here.
See? I told you about the pizza.
Now I understand why people stay after shopping.
Grocery shopping is exhausting. Pizza helps.
Honestly, we earned this pizza.
We really did.
Okay, what should we get? Most people get pizza and a drink. Simple. I like it.
You order this time.
Me?
Yeah, you're experienced now.
Experienced feels like a strong word.
You survived the self-checkout machine.
True, that changed me.
Go ahead.
Okay, I can do this.
Of course you can.
Hi, can I get 2 slices of pizza and 2 drinks, please?
Nice.
That actually felt very natural.
Because it was natural.
Maybe I belong here now.
I think the muffins already decided that.
The muffins support me emotionally.
And financially destroy you.
Also true. Look at us. We bought enough food for 2 months.
I still can't believe how full the cart became.
First, we came here for eggs.
Then we found the free samples.
That was the turning point.
After that, everything changed.
Especially after the muffins.
Don't blame the muffins.
I absolutely blame the muffins.
Then we lost the cart.
Honestly, that was stressful.
Everything looked the same. Giant shelves forever. And after that, the self-checkout machine attacked us. That machine was fighting for its life. Unexpected item in bagging area. Don't say it. I still hear that voice in my head. I think the machine needs a vacation. Same. You know what's funny? What? At first, this place felt overwhelming. And now? Now it feels kind of fun. That's how it starts. I already went to come back. Dangerous sentence. Next time, I'm making a strict shopping list. Sure. No extra snacks. No giant muffins. I don't believe you.
Honestly, I don't believe me either.
Your pizza's ready.
Finally.
Let's eat in the car.
Good idea. My legs are tired.
Same.
Wow, this pizza is actually really good.
Right?
Cheap pizza tastes better after stressful shopping.
That should be their slogan.
Look at all the people still arriving.
The store stays busy all day.
Honestly, I get it now.
So, successful trip?
Very successful.
Even with the giant peanut butter?
Especially with the giant peanut butter.
I'm proud of you.
For what?
You fully experienced wholesale shopping today.
I really did.
Next time, we're trying the giant cheesecake.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
This store really is dangerous.
And fun.
And kind of comforting somehow.
That too.
Okay, next month we come back for eggs again.
And leave with everything except eggs.
Exactly.
And that was today's story from English Listening Stories. Mia started the day thinking she would only buy eggs and a few groceries. But little by little, the shopping trip became an adventure. There were free samples, giant carts, lost snacks, frozen checkout machines, and finally, a relaxing pizza at the end of the day. Sometimes everyday moments become the best memories. And you did very well listening to this story in English. Now, here is the listening question again. What food did Mia and Sarah finally eat before leaving the store? If you know the answer, try writing it in the comments. Even short comments help your English. Writing helps you remember vocabulary, practice sentence building, and understand the story more deeply. And if this story helped you relax and practice English today, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and cozy listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you again very soon in another English Listening Story.